Hi dear students, hope you're all fine and you're spending a good time with your family. Welcome to the second lecture video for this semester, semester 4. This time we will review the topics that we covered last time in the last lecture video, and we will talk about the 5 food groups. So today we will identify the different food groups that make the food plate, and we will plan for a healthy meal. So as you can see, there are 6 types of nutrients. And nutrients are substances that the body cannot make, so they must come from food. Nutrients are so important for disease prevention, growth, and good health. What are these 6 nutrients? Proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and water. What was the first kind of nutrients that we talked about? Proteins. Proteins are essential for good health. They are essential nutrients that work as the building blocks of our bodies. They provide the building blocks of the body and not just for muscles. Every cell in your body, from bone to skin to hair, contains protein. All of your hormones and other important substances are composed of protein. So they are so important for growth and health. Proteins come from an animal origin and they also come from a plant origin. So while meat, fish, chicken, and eggs are good sources of proteins, you can also get proteins from plant sources like beans, nuts, and some grain. Vitamins are another kind of nutrients that you need. Vitamins are important from preventing you from diseases and they help you stay healthy. There are 13 essential vitamins that the body needs to function properly, and each vitamin plays an important role in the body. Not getting enough of them can cause health problems and diseases. We have 2 types of vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, K, and E are fat-soluble, which means that they need the help of fats to be absorbed by the body and they can be stored in the fat tissues in the body. And they will stay there until your body needs them. While water-soluble vitamins cannot be stored in the body, so you need to get enough of vitamins every day. These vitamins are vitamins C and B. So if you eat a well-balanced diet full of vegetables and fruits, you will have the vitamins that you need. Much like vitamins, minerals help support the body. So the third kind of nutrients that we will talk about are the minerals. Minerals are essential for many body functions. They help you build strong bones. They help you build strong teeth. They help you to maintain healthy blood pressure. They help you to contract your muscles and relax them. They help your blood to support the blood cells and to make hormones. Each one of the minerals has its own function or job in the body. Let's see some examples. So here, iron, calcium, potassium are some of the most common minerals that the body needs. So the iron help you improve your concentration, calcium help your blood vessels move blood, Potassium helps you build strong muscles. So you need also to consume a well-balanced diet full of minerals to get all of the minerals that your body need, and there are 20 different minerals. Let's move now to talk about the fourth type of nutrients that your body needs to work properly: carbohydrates. So, carbohydrates are necessary for a healthy body. They fuel your body. What does this mean? That means that carbohydrates or sugars give your body the energy that it needs to work properly. We have two different types of carbohydrates: complex carbohydrates or starches, and simple carbohydrates or simple sugars. Complex carbohydrates can be found in some types of grains, potato, pasta, bread, and other kinds of dough. In the banana also, there are complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates or simple sugars are found in food that tastes sweety, like fruits, candies, and many different other kinds of food. Nutrients number 6 are fats. Fats are an important part of a healthy diet, so you need to consume a quantity of fats each day. Fats provide your body with energy. Fats are high in calories, yes, but these calories are so important to give you the energy that the body needs, and this energy can be stored by the body to use it later on when the body needs it. Some of the fat sources are nuts, olives, avocado, mayonnaise. Nutrient number 6 is the water. So you can stay for days without food, but you cannot last a few days without water, since water is essential and very important for every system in your body. Water will help you to improve your brain work. It will help you carry the nutrients to all of your cells. So you need to get enough water every day. Here is an exercise found in your book on page 171. In this exercise, we have to sort some kinds of food in their appropriate group. We have 6 kinds of nutrients, and each group of nutrients has its own job. Some of the nutrients provide your body with the energy that it needs. Some others, like vitamins and minerals, help preventing your body from diseases. And proteins are the building blocks. They help you grow new cells from bone to skin to hair to nail. So we have now to check and read each kind of food, tell the nutrients that this kind of food contains, and then we have to put it in the appropriate group. Let's start with fish. Fish are mainly rich in proteins. Proteins are the building blocks, so fish is in the growth food group. Milk. Milk is rich in vitamin D, calcium, and proteins. Vitamins and minerals, calcium and vitamin D, help preventing your body from diseases. So milk is a health food, and since it contains protein, so it is also found in the growth food group. Apple. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins. Apples are also sweet, so apples have sugar in them. They provide you with simple carbohydrates. They give you sugar, and apples have vitamins. So apples belong to the energy food groups, and also to the health food group. Toast. Toast contains, or all kind of bread contain complex carbohydrates, starches, and carbohydrates give the body energy. They are the fuel of the body. They provide you with the energy that you need. Cheese. Cheese is made of milk, and milk is rich of protein and vitamin D and calcium. So, such as milk, cheese is found in the health food group and also in the growth food group. Chicken are rich in protein. They are in the growth food group. Carrots. Carrots contain vitamins. Vitamins help preventing you from diseases, so carrots are in the health food group. Lettuce also. Lettuce is a kind of vegetables, and as I mentioned before, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. They help keep you healthy. Strawberries. Strawberries are sweet, so they are rich in simple carbohydrate and they give you the energy that you need, and they contain also vitamins. Pasta, grains, bread have starches, so pasta is with the energy food since carbohydrates provide your body with energy. Yogurt. All milk products are the same. They are almost the same. They provide you with vitamin D, calcium, and proteins. I will put the yogurt in here with the growth food group in the growth food group and in the health food group. Tomato is a fruit. Fruits provide us with vitamins. So, vitamins and minerals are found in the health food group. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein. So, and proteins are the building blocks. Rice are rich in complex carbohydrates, starches. So rice must be with the energy food group. So I will repeat. There are 6 kinds of nutrients. Each kind of nutrient has its own function and job in the body. Carbohydrates and fats give you energy. They provide your body with energy so you can do and perform different life activities. Vitamins and minerals. Each mineral has its own function in the body. They help preventing you from diseases and they help keeping you healthy. Proteins are the building blocks in your body. This picture or this document is found in your book on page 162. You have different kinds of food. This is a little bit confusing, but I need you to look very well. That some kinds of food can contain different nutrients. Look at the eggs, for example. Eggs are rich in proteins, in vitamin D, and in calcium. Let's see. Fruits and vegetables, they provide you with simple carbohydrates and vitamins. I'm talking here about watermelons. Watermelons are sweet, so they contain simple carbohydrates, simple sugars, and they also contain vitamins. Tomato is a kind of fruit. It gives you vitamins. Rice, potato, donuts, all of these are found in the grains group since they contain complex carbohydrates, starches. Honey is so sweet, so it contains simple sugars or simple carbohydrates. This lollipop and the candy also. The carrot provides you with simple carbohydrates and vitamins. Okay, so one kind of food can contain two or more kinds of vitamins. Let's take now some of the foods that we saw in the previous slide and put them in the plate in front of us. This food plate is divided into 5 groups: fruits group, vegetables group, grains group, protein group, and dairy group. I will give you 10 seconds, giving you the chance to think of the foods that you have in front of you and to tell the group that each one of these kinds of food belongs to. Okay, ready? Let's start with the foods that contain proteins. Which of these kinds of food is mainly rich in proteins? Eggs. Eggs are an important source of protein, so I will put them in the protein group. Tuna too. As we said before, fish provide our body with proteins. Let's see. Chicken. Chicken is also an important source of protein. Let's Okay, cheese. Cheese is also um, an important source of protein, but since it's made of milk, so it should be found in the dairy group. All milk products are found in the dairy group, but you can also put it in, you can also put it in the protein group. Tomato. Tomato is a kind of fruit, so tomatoes are found in the fruits group. Watermelons too. While carrots and spinach are vegetables. Okay, we still have the croissant, the donut, and rice. These 3 kinds of food are rich in starches. They contain complex carbohydrates. So these 3 kinds of food belong to the grains group. This is what a healthy food plate must look like. We eat 3 times per day. Each meal must look like this healthy food plate. Half of your food plate must contain fruits and vegetables. You must consume also some grains and some foods rich in proteins. You need also a source of calcium for your body, so you need to have you need to leave a part for the dairy group also in your healthy food plate. A healthy food diet involves consuming appropriate amounts of all essential nutrients. And as you know, we have 6 kinds of nutrients that the body needs to work properly and to perform different life activities. If you eat a variety of foods from each of the 5 food groups, your body will receive all the nutrients it needs to function. What are these 5 food groups? They are, let's remember a little bit the food plate: fruits group, vegetables group, grains group, protein group, and dairy group. Dairy group. This group contains all milk products. So the foods found in this group provide your body with calcium needed for strong and healthy bones. Fruits. Fruits and vegetables provide your body with the vitamins and minerals that help your body stay healthy. Grains. The grains group is a very important source of complex carbohydrates, of starches that help you get the energy that you need. Proteins. Proteins are the building blocks, and as we said coming before, that you can get these proteins from plant sources and also from animal sources. Vegetables, much like fruits, vegetables are sources of vitamins and minerals, and these vitamins and minerals will help you keep your body healthy. In order to have a balanced, healthy diet, you should eat at least one kind of food from each group in your 3 meals every day. So we eat uh, 3 meals per day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And each time you want to eat, your plate must look like a healthy food plate with the five food groups in it: fruits group, vegetables group, grains group, protein group, and dairy group. Okay, you should not miss any of these food groups on your principal meals. Let's see which one of these girls is having a balanced, healthy diet, Mona or Layla. On their breakfasts, these two girls are consuming different things. Mona is taking bread, meat, apple juice, and cheese, while Layla is getting croissant and orange juice. Mona's breakfast shows 4 food groups: apple juice that belongs to the fruit group, meat that belongs to the protein group, cheese that belongs to the dairy group, and the bread that belongs to the grains group. So on her breakfast, Mona have a healthy plate with 4 food groups. There is no vegetables in her breakfast. Layla is consuming a croissant and an orange juice. The orange juice in here belongs to the fruit group and the croissant to the grains group. Is she having any vegetable? No. Is there any kind of food that's rich in proteins? No. Any kind of food that belongs to the dairy group? No. So Mona's breakfast is healthier than Layla's breakfast. On their first snacks, Mona's consuming a salad fruit, but Layla is choosing to consume chips and candies, which are very high in fats and in simple carbohydrates, and which is not a healthy choice. Choosing a fruit salad is better. So Mona's first snack is better than Layla's, or it is healthier than Layla's first snack. On their lunch, Muna's food plate has a strawberry milkshake, chicken and rice, and these are pieces of watermelon. So Muna has watermelons that belongs to the fruits group, chicken, proteins group, rice, grains group, and milkshake, strawberry milkshake, which belongs to the dairy group since it contains milk. So Mona's lunch plate is showing 4 groups since there is no vegetables. Layla's having rice with yogurt. The yogurt belongs to the dairy group while the rice is in the grains group. No fruits, no vegetables. Yes, she's getting some proteins from her yogurt, but I think that Mona's lunch is healthier than Layla's lunch. On their second snack, the girls uh, have the same choices as the first snack. And as I said before, the salad fruit is healthier than consuming foods from like candies and chips. Let's see the dinner food plates. Mona's taking soup, toast, piece of cake, and yogurt. So there are proteins in here. Yes, the toast belongs to the grains group. She's taking a soup, but I cannot figure out which kind of soup is it. But Layla's taking a piece of donut, which belongs to the grains group, and orange juice fruits group. So we can see that Mona's choices are better than Layla's choices. Mona's having a more balanced, healthy diet because her meals included foods from the different food groups. And she didn't choose food from the sweets and fat group. Okay, so in here, Mona is having a more balanced diet since her meals included foods from the different food groups. Okay? Determine if this is a healthy food plate. Let's see. Does it have foods from the fruits group? Does it have foods from the vegetables group? Does it have foods from the grains group, protein group, and dairy group? Let's see. Fruits. Is there fruits in here? Yes. The strawberries. The strawberries are fruits. So this is group number 1. Vegetables. The broccoli belongs to the vegetables group. So this is group number 2. And yes, this plate contains vegetables. Grains. Is there grains? Yes, for sure. The rice belongs to the grains group. It contains, it's rich in complex carbohydrates. So the third food group is shown in this plate. This piece of chicken provides our body with proteins. So the chicken belongs to the proteins group. This is group number 4. And this cup of milk belongs to the dairy group. And this is the dairy group, group number 5. So as we said, that you must consume food from the 5 food groups: the fruits group, vegetables group, grains group, protein group, dairy group. Yes, this is a healthy food plate since it shows foods that belong to the 5 different foods group. Okay? What do you think? Is this also a healthy food plate or no? Does this food plate show us foods from the 5 food groups? I'm not going to answer this question. It's for you to send me your answers on Messenger, WhatsApp, or via the school app, and I'm waiting for them. You will get 5 bonus points for answering this question. So you have to tell, yes, it is a healthy food plate, or no, it's not a healthy food plate. And for your answer, you have to explain. We have to determine, and we have to give the answer and to explain why you're considering this as a healthy food plate, or why you're considering this as a non-healthy food plate. Is this a healthy food plate? Does it show foods from the 5 food groups? Yes, let's see. Is there fruits in here? Yes, there is. There is tomato, and tomato is a kind of fruit. So tomato belongs to the fruits group. So this is group number 1 shown in this food plate. Okay, vegetables. Is there onions in here? And this basil leaf. Yes, these are vegetables. So yes, there is vegetable. There are vegetables in here, and the vegetables group is shown in this food. Pasta. Pasta belongs to the grains group. So this is the third food group shown in this food plate. Proteins. This plate is made with chopped meat. So meat is a good source of protein. So yes, group number 4 is shown in this food plate. And we have cheese also, and cheese belongs to the grains group. So yes, there are foods of the dairy group. A simple plate of pasta can be a healthy food plate since it provides you, or it shows the 5 food groups that you need for a healthy diet. This plate of pasta has meat. Meat belongs to the protein group, pasta, grains group, tomato, fruits group, onions, vegetables group, and cheese, dairy group. So this plate shows the 5 food group. That means that yes, this is a healthy food plate since it shows food from the 5 food groups. Is there fruits from the 5 food groups in this plate? Let's see. Fruits. Is there fruits in here? Who can tell? Tomato is a kind of fruit. So yes, this is one. Group number 1 is shown in this food meal. Vegetables. Yes, for sure. Lettuce belongs to the vegetables group. So group number 2 is also shown in this food meal. Grains. Bread belongs to the grains group. French fries also belongs to the grain group. So group number 3 is shown in this food meal. Proteins. Meat provides us with protein. So group number 4 is also shown in this food plate. And cheese belongs to the dairy group. So yes, group number 5 is also found in this food meal. So with this food meal, a hamburger with French fries and Pepsi is showed us the 5 food groups. The fruits group, since it has tomato in it, lettuce for the vegetables group, meat for the proteins group, the piece of bread and the bun and the French fries for grains, and cheese for the dairy group. But is it a healthy food plate? We must say that yes, it is a healthy food plate since it shows the 5 food groups. But because it's so rich in fats, there are Pepsi in it, there are French fries. Since it's so rich in fats, so yes, we can consume it, but not too much. Okay, so we need to be careful to the amounts of nutrients that we are getting from our meals, especially the uh, especially fats. Okay, so yes, this is a healthy food plate since it contains food from the 5 food groups, but it has too much fats in it. So we need to be careful to the amount of fats we are consuming. We're done for today. Thank you for watching me. Do not forget to send me your answers on WhatsApp Messenger or via the school app. And do not forget to pay attention for your meals, consume food from the 5 food groups, and stay safe. Bye bye.